Welcome back to my channel. First things first, I'm showing y'all this black round bathroom mirror that I found on Amazon.com. I did want a white mirror, but that color wasn't available. But the length and width is 30 by 30 and it retails for $58.99. But before I decorate it, I'm going to peel off all the stickers from my tumblers. I have 11 tumblers all together, and now I'm going to flip them back over to add this bling wrap. And this bling wrap is self-adhesive, but it's not strong enough to hold over time by itself. So if you choose to recreate this, please use a stronger adhesive. I'm covering the rim of all 11 cups. Here's the mirror. I'm just pulling off the plastic. I will show y'all the full mirror very shortly, so just keep on watching. I'm placing all my tumblers around my mirror before gluing them down, so that way it gives me a chance to space them out as evenly as possible since I'm not using any measurements. I'm only using hot glue for this project because I plan on using this mirror for something else later. Next, I'm going to remove all the push lights from the pack and also the batteries, then insert all the batteries in all the push lights. These push lights are self-adhesive as well, so I'm just peeling off the backing and then I'm going to stick it directly to the bottom of the tumbler. And just like that, I have a vanity mirror which turned out absolutely gorgeous. And remember, if you are going to recreate this, please use a stronger adhesive so your project can last over time. And let me know what y'all think down in the comments. For this next project, I'm using 2 more of those tumblers and I'm just going to remove the straws from both. I'm using 2 of these green stems and I'm going to insert them through the tops, and then I'm going to make knots until the stem can no longer fit through the top. I made about 4 knots on each stem. Now that everything has dried, I'm adding the tops back to both of my tumblers, and then I'm going to glue the top tips of the green stems together. These stems are bendable, so I'm bending mine towards the left. So now I'm just going to set these to the side and then cut off 2 leaves from these magnolia flowers. then glue them to the top of my stems, and then I will be right back to show y'all the final look. Yes, these are cherries. I'm sure y'all already guessed what I was making, and I added a beaded necklace on the top to cover up the hole and to also give it a little definition. And I also made another one in red, which I LOVE. Comment below and let me know what y'all think. On to the next one. So I'm reusing these 5x5 inch mirrors that I purchased from Dollar Tree, of course, and then I'm going to glue them all together with my craft sticks. I'm putting all my tumblers into place before gluing them down to ensure they are positioned properly. Now I'm covering the rim of all 3 tumblers with a beaded necklace. Now I'm covering my mirror lines with this bling wrap, and once I cut the second piece, I realized that maybe I should have brought the bling wrap to the front so it doesn't look messy. So here I'm just adding another piece to make it fold over the bottom for a seamless look. I'm gluing 2 of those magnolia flowers together to make them look more fluffy, and then I'm going to stick 2 in each tumbler, and then here's the final results. I'm loving how this turned out. This project was quick, easy, simple, but yet beautiful. Comment below and let me know what y'all think.